Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Cyber Monday is here, and today I'm showing you 5 kitchen gadgets with huge price drops you might want to check out. All the links are in the description with updated deals. Number 1 is Vitamix 5200 Blender. The Vitamix 5200 is a professional-grade blender known for silky smoothies, hot soups, nut butters, and even homemade ice cream. It has aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, a large 64-ounce container, and a self-cleaning mode. This one rarely gets big discounts, but right now it's 38% off, $299.95. Number 2 is Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. A true home barista setup with precise temperature control, built-in grinder, and manual microfoam steaming for latte art. Perfect for espresso lovers who want cafe-level quality at home. Cyber Monday brings it down to $499.95, normally around $699.95. Number 3 is Emeril Lagasse XL French Door Air Fryer Oven. A 26-quart powerhouse with French doors, 24 cooking functions, and space for entire family meals. Use it as an air fryer, toaster oven, dehydrator, rotisserie, and more. Right now it's $149.99, down from $199.99. Number 4 is Ninja CRME Scoop and Swirl. Ninja's newest ice cream and soft serve maker with 13 programs, a soft serve handle, and the Scoop and Swirl design. Great for ice cream, sorbets, milkshakes, high-protein treats, or low-calorie recipes. It's $279.99, down from $349.99. Number 5 is KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer. One of the most iconic mixers ever made, perfect for baking, whipping, doughs, and hundreds of KitchenAid attachments. Tilt head design, 5-quart bowl, and tons of color options. Right now it's $349.95, normally $499.99. So those are 5 kitchen gadgets with big Cyber Monday price drops worth checking out today. Cyber Monday deals change quickly, so check the description for updated links and prices. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thanks for watching, and happy Cyber Monday!